Adding and subtracting algebraic fractions. The rules for algebraic fractions work in the same way as the rules for numerical fractions. You can only cancel factors from the top and bottom of the same fraction. So always factorize your numerator and denominator fully before you attempt to simplify, add or subtract. Now, what do I mean by this? When we were multiplying, if we'd had something like this, then we could have cancelled between the two different fractions. And the same here. A goes in there once and in there a times. But when you're adding, you can't do that. So if I have something like 2/5 and I'm adding it to 3/4, you can't cancel the 2 here with the 4 here when you have the plus in the middle. It has to be on the same fraction. So if we'd had 4/10 instead of 2/5, we could have cancelled that down to 2/5 because it's the same number, it's just in a simpler form. So that's one thing to be aware of here. Now, we're adding and subtracting, so remember that you'll need a common denominator. And this may be algebraic or numeric. If in doubt, you can multiply the denominators together. Once you've added or subtracted, ensure you factorize again before attempting to simplify. Because what you can't do is cancel things top and bottom if they're added. I can't do this. Just think about why you can't do that. 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 divided by 2 is 3.5. If I did this, it would become 3 plus 2, which is 5. So clearly that's not the same. You can only cancel things if it's something like 3a squared over a, and then we can cancel those a's, giving us 3a. The difference being that this is multiplied. Be very careful about negative signs and brackets. It can be very easy to make a mistake in subtraction questions.